Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Yak Chat channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to walk through how to view and interact with your Outlook contacts in Yak Chat. First, open up the Yak Chat app on your device. Once you're in, head over to the Contacts section by clicking on the drop-down menu. Next, you'll see an option labeled Outlook. Go ahead and click on that. Your Outlook contacts will now be displayed right inside Yak Chat. Here, you can easily view your Outlook contacts and start messaging them directly from within Yak Chat. Yak Chat also syncs your Outlook folders or categories, displaying them as tags on the right-hand side of each contact. You can click on any tag to send a message to everyone within that category all at once, perfect for team or project-based communication. And if you're looking for a specific contact, no worries. Just use the search bar at the top to quickly find anyone within your Outlook contact list. That's all for today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Yak Chat.